To mitigate ship-induced air pollution, proactive measures are imperative. First, adopting cleaner fuel such as low-sulfur alternatives significantly reduces emissions. Encouraging the implementation of advanced emission control technologies ensures ships operate more efficiently. Embracing eco-friendly ship design and propulsion system further minimize environmental impact. Rigorous enforcement of emission standards by regulatory bodies is vital. Incentivizing compliance with the maritime industry, additionally raising awareness among ship's crews about the importance of fuel-efficient navigation and proper maintenance foster a culture of environmental responsibility. In a collective effort, these strategies pave the way for cleaner seas and clearer skies, securing a sustainable future for maritime activities.